Welcome all. This is Kavya S from Standard 10. I am here with the topic Sum of n terms from arithmetic progression. We will be seeing a concept map and sum based on this topic. So where is the concept map I did for sum of n terms? There are two formulas in this concept. So let's see the first one. When first term of common difference is given, then the formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And when the first and last terms are given, then the formula is n by 2 into a plus an. In these two formulas, n denotes number of terms, a denotes first term, d denotes common difference, and an denotes the last term. Now let's see the sum based on this topic. The question is, a sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, find the values of each prize. Now we have read the question. We will list out the given details so that it will be useful to proceed with the further steps. So the first condition given is rupees 700 is to be used to give cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance is the first condition. So first we will write the condition. So we are done with the first condition. Let's move on to the second condition. The second condition is given. If each price is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, find the values of each price. So the condition 2 we are writing is each price is rupees 20 less than its preceding price. So let's write them. We are done with the second condition also. Now let's write what to be found. So in the question it is given as find the values of each price. So let's write to find the values of each price. So now we have written all the given details. Let's move on to the solution part. So let the first price be A. Okay, the first price is A and the second price will be A minus 20. Why A minus 20 is, in the question it is given as each price is 20 less than its preceding price. Here the preceding price is A. So that second price will be A minus 20 and following third price will be A minus 20 minus 20. Minus 20 minus 20, when we add we get minus 40. So the third price will be A minus 40. Therefore, the arithmetic progression series will be A minus 20, A minus 40 and goes on. So here A is equal to first term. Okay, A is equal to first term and D is equal to common difference. Here in this AP, first term is A and the common difference. So now let us find the common difference. A minus 20 minus A. So we get A minus 20 minus A. Plus A and minus A gets cancelled and we get the common difference as minus 20. And they have also given sum of rupees 700. So here sum of rupees is 700. So Sn is equal to 700. Sn denotes sum of n terms. So we have got all the details to find the answer. So we are going to use a formula here, sum of n terms formula. So the formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now we are going to substitute the values in this formula. So a is equal to a, d is equal to minus 20 and Sn is equal to 700. So we are going to substitute these values in the formula. So Sn is equal to 700. So 700 is equal to n by 2. So n by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Here n number of terms, n is equal to number of terms. So number of terms we are going to find is 7. So 7 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. N minus 1, here 7 minus 1 into d value is minus 20. So 700 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into minus 20. So next step, 700 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6. So 6 into minus 20. So next step, 700 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6 into minus 20 gives us minus 120. So 2a minus 120. So we will move on to next step. We have to take the 7 by 2 this side. So here 700 into 7 by 2 is equal to 2a minus 120. Here you might find something fishy. 2 can be divided by 700. So here I have done it wrong. So let's do it again. So 700 we have to reciprocal it as we are getting them this side in left hand side. So 700 into 2 by 7 is equal to 2a minus 120. So we can easily cancel 7 and 700. 7 ones are 7 and 7, 100 times is 700. So they cancel. So 200. 100 into 2 we get 200. So 200 is equal to 2a minus 120. So last step we got 200 is equal to 2a minus 120. So minus 20 that side, that is in right hand side, we are going to take it to the left hand side. So there is minus sign. So when we take it from this side, we get plus sign. So 200 plus 120 is equal to 2a. 200 plus 120 is 320. So 320 is equal to 2a. So 320 by 2 is equal to a. So we are going to divide it. So 2 times 160 is 320. Therefore, the value of a is 160. So we got the value of a. So we are going to substitute the value of a in AP. that we got the AP as A minus 20, A minus 40. So in the place of A, we are going to substitute the value of A, that is 160. So that we get the values of all the 7 prices. So now let's find out the values. First price is equal to A. So the value of A is 160. So first price is rupees 160. So second price, according to AP, second term is A minus 20. So 160 minus 20, we get rupees 140. So the third price is A minus 40. So 160 minus 40, we get rupees 120. So the value of third price is rupees 120, and goes on follows for all the prices. For the fourth price, the AP is A minus 60. So 160 minus 60, we get 100. So the value of fourth price is rupees 100. So next is fifth price. Fifth price term is A minus 80. So 160 minus 80, we get 80. So the value of fifth price is rupees 80. So now the value of sixth price. So sixth price term is A minus 100. So 160 minus 100, we get rupees 60. So the value of sixth price is rupees 60. So now let's move on to the seventh price. So seventh price term is A minus 120, where 160 minus 120, we get 40. So the seventh price value is rupees 40. Therefore, we got the values of all 7 prices. So let's see the values. First price is rupees 160. Second price is rupees 140. Third price is rupees 120. Fourth price is rupees 100. Fifth price is rupees 80. Sixth price is rupees 60. And seventh price is rupees 40. So write down all the values of 7 prices. Here is the copy of the sum. I hope you all understood the sum. Thank you.